How was glass made in the Stone Age? First, collect silica sand and throw it in a furnace to refine it at high heat. Then mix in potassium carbonate made from shells and seaweed. Next comes the lead extraction step. After that, combine all the materials in different ratios and fire everything up. Finally, pour it into a mold and let it cool. And just like that, the Stone Age's very first piece of glass was born. Senku's original plan was to use glass to build lab equipment for refining chemicals. But right now, there was something way more urgent on his plate. He needed to get Suika out of that ridiculous helmet she'd been walking around in. Turns out, this adorable little girl was nearsighted. Everything she saw was a blurry mess, but Suika had stumbled onto something by accident. When she wore that watermelon helmet, the world actually came into focus. Senku figured it out instantly. It was the pinhole effect. The small opening was narrowing the light entering her eyes, which naturally dialed back her nearsightedness. So Senku built Suika a set of tools to grind and polish the glass lenses. He also threw together a basic eye chart. After carefully measuring and comparing everything, he fitted the lenses right into Suika's helmet. Just like that, the Stone Age's first pair of glasses was officially born. He walked Suika over to a nearby field of sunflowers. The moment he slipped those handcrafted glasses onto her head, everything in front of Suika snapped into sharp, brilliant clarity. She burst into tears. It was the first time in her entire life that she could actually see the world clearly. Next up, Senku set his sights on making glassware. He heated obsidian until it started foaming up, then used that foam as insulation to create a shaping tool. He also used bamboo as a mold to shape molten iron into hollow iron tubes. Chrome went first. He immediately blew it into a pile of mush. They just didn't have the skills for this, so Chrome did what he had to do. He basically dragged an old man out of the village. This craftsman was legendary around these parts, known for pulling off incredibly detailed, intricate work. But the old guy wanted absolutely nothing to do with making containers. Senku didn't push him. Instead, he just started blowing glass right there in front of him. Watching this incredible material take shape before his eyes, the old man was completely hooked, especially after seeing Chrome fail over and over again. He finally couldn't hold himself back any longer. Sure, it was his first time working with glass, but over 50 years of hands-on crafting experience kicked in fast. Before long, he produced a stunningly beautiful container. All it needed was time to cool down, and the job was done. Now that Senku had his glassware, it was time for the next big move. He was about to create the very first antibiotic in human history.